R demo, R Studio panes. Session prerequisites. Browse to our earlier material on how to install R. Earlier videos take you through the first steps of working in R Studio. In preparation, please have R Studio open on your computer and follow along. Maximum benefit guaranteed.
The demo command showcases a demonstration of all the functionality within a package. That's if they've provided one. We'll try this out with the graphics package, which is quite heavy as you can see. I'm going to type in demo of graphics, and I've been asked to hit return to start the demo. So this is the simple use of color in a plot, a pie chart like wheel, pie sales, box plots, distance between Brownian motions. You know this is a statistical package, level of interest in R, normal variables which we will talk about later on, and so on. Very colorful. You can even do topographic maps. And finally we have this fantastic map. So that should give you a fair idea of what you can do, graphically speaking. The source window enables you to type in an R script, which is just a set of commands like the ones we typed, and to store it on your machine as a file. Why don't we gather together the last few commands that we have typed at the console, and then we'll transfer them to the source pane. There's an easy way. Identify whatever commands you want from the History tab in the Environment pane. And when you double click those, it gets copied over into the console. I'll copy from the console and paste it into the source pane. So I would like to look at faithful $weighting. I'll copy that, paste it there. I kind of like the colors here for eruptions. I'll paste it there. And before eruptions, I would also like to go ahead and look at those which were for faithful $weighting. I'll go ahead and paste it there. And if I were to want to do this side by side, there's a command which I'll type for now. Don't worry about the syntax. How it works is what matters. I would like to have these two histograms in one row and two columns. That's how easy it is to lay out plots. And then I'm just going to hit source for now. And I have both the histograms. How easy was that? I hope you can do the same thing. There are two main buttons on the source pane. One is run and one is source. Run allows you to execute just the commands that you've highlighted, whereas source button runs the script in one go, which is what we used. Source with echo is a setting which puts out everything it is doing on the console. Notice that any text output goes to the console window, whereas the graphical output, you guessed it, goes to the plot window. The environment pane is like a workbench for the variables that we create in the script. There's also a packages tab which helps us install additional functionality if necessary. We'll talk about that in the next segment. Most data analysts are not happy with a fixed format report that a tool can generate. They like to control what to output, which plot goes where, and so on. R allows you to do this supremely well. I can't foresee a day when everything in this league of tools can be fully driven by menus. There are some other environments such as R Commander which could reduce the amount you type. In this segment, we learned how to download and install R and RStudio. These tools allow us to perform advanced statistical computations on our machines. Both are free software packages which work on most platforms. We hope that our high-level tour of RStudio package has given you a sufficient idea of its power and its flexibility. In our next segment, we'll show you how to construct programs in R to carry out various tasks. I hope to see you soon.